Well, this is my natural swimming pool. I made it about 8 years ago, and I made it in a way that is a bit unusual, and so I sort of, in a way, reinvented the idea of a natural swimming pool. I call it an organic pool, and my system uses bubbles to power and circulate the water around the pool, and this makes it a very simple method of construction. What we have is a central swimming zone, which is, in this pool, it's about 12 metres by 5 metres, and so it's effectively a deep, 2 metre deep swimming zone within a pond. And around the outside is the planted zone, and the planted zone is where the biology and the filtration is going on to condition the water. And the circulation system using the bubbles is a way of aiding the natural filtering processes of the plants and the zoology to achieve it efficiently. And in that way we keep the water clean and clear and free from algae. The great thing about having a pond in a garden is that it dramatically increases your biodiversity. And here we've got a lot of different plant species that we would never normally have in a garden. We've got bog bean, Menianthus trifoliata, which is, I think, is a terrible name for the most beautiful plant. And we've got irises, water lilies, obviously, incredibly beautiful, mint. So even in the plant domain, there's increased biodiversity, and then you've got all the animals as well, like newts and back swimmers and pond skaters and frogs. So adding a pond to your garden, which is effectively what this is, but it's a pond for people and for wildlife, is the best thing you can do for biodiversity.